Anyone can use iNaturalist, and it's a free app that you can download on your smartphone. To use iNaturalist and to make an observation, all you need to do is find a species that you want to identify, take several good photos of it to make sure that we really can get an understanding of what it looks like, and then upload those photos to the app. Once you've uploaded those photos, iNaturalist will automatically suggest a species that it thinks that photo is of. You can take a look at them and see if they look like what you're looking at. Then you can select that species, and iNaturalist has made that observation confirmed for you. Once you've selected the species, you can make sure the date and time are set and the location is set where you're taking the photo. There's also the option to obscure your location so that it won't show exactly where you are, but a general area. Also on the iNaturalist app, you can choose whether or not the species you found is cultivated or uncultivated. So once you have selected all those parameters, you can upload your observation to iNaturalist, allowing other community scientists to see what you've seen. If they agree with you, they can say so on the app, and your observation then becomes research grade. So what that means is there's two community scientists, you and someone else who agrees with the identification. If other iNaturalist users disagree with your identification, they can suggest a different ID, allowing for collaboration amongst the community scientists using the app and a more accurate identification. We hope you enjoy using iNaturalist and learning more about your local environment.